Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Redmi Turbo. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it and tap on the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Redmi. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. If you wish to input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. So sorry, misclick. Then close and add. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!